That one's terrifying. Imagine that in your dream. Imagine you wake up to that. Jesus. Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know it, and we're back with a real-time unboxing and review video. Now in today's video, what we're going to open up is a cheeky little collab between Nike and Ambush. Yes, those Air Force Ones have finally dropped. They have done 2 colorways and I believe there's another 2 to come, so I'm intrigued to see what these look like. So let's start with a chat and open these up. Oh, SNS sent me a big boy. And I'm still cutting towards me because I don't give a fuck. We live life on the edge over here. Over here in North, bruv. Oh, okay. So here we have the box then. And it's essentially a normal Air Force box. But they've just kind of flexed it up a little bit. I actually like this box. It feels very sleek. We have it all in black. We've got this nice high shine gloss Nike tick on the front. To show it's a collab, we do have the big Ambush on the front and the back. We also have some swoosh tick detailing on the sides. Apart from that, we've got the sizing on the front. And as always, I grabbed myself a size 5. I feel like... Have I had Ambush? I don't think I've had Ambush. This is my first Ambushes, so I feel like the paper should be nice. Hey, I'm not disappointed. Inside, we again have dual branding of Nike and Ambush. I will pull this out to have it a little bit clearer, but we do have the Ambush kind of here like we did on the box. And then I can see a nice big tick, and I believe that just goes all the way around the paper. Did I tell you what colourway I got? I got the blue pair. There was the blue and the green pair. I got the blue pair. Big up SNS. Ooh, I'ma feel royal in these, bruv. Are you mad? Don't do that, kids. These... I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not... No, I do like them. I do like them. But is this not giving Batman? Do you not think? Like, is this not giving Batman, though? Oh, what? Even the back tab's off. Is the back tab... Man's batty is out. This is mad. So let's go ahead and jump into some details of this Game Royal pair. Game Royal, hence the colour. Like I said, giving me extreme kind of Batman vibes from early days, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go ahead and start with this upper, which of course, you've got your Air Force leather upper all dipped out in this royal blue. I do have to say that it feels nice. I don't know if it's just my mind playing tricks on me because I've never seen like such a powerful Air Force One in hand, but the leather on it actually feels really smooth. Like it also got me like, it's like velvety, but it's not, but it's just, it must just clearly be good materials. So yeah, definitely not gonna knock on that. And there doesn't seem to be any like QC issues on these. The glue is pretty good, so really kind of happy there. It heads into this lacing system that, surprise surprise, is all in blue, from the eyelets to the laces, even to the tag at the top. Now the tag at the top of the tongue just has a swoosh tick detailing in the yellow, again with Ambush written underneath. Like I said, nod to the collab. We do have some exposed foam though, which I didn't know was apparent on these kicks. So they are gonna kind of be open. You're gonna kind of be peeping in there and seeing the tongue for yourself. One other extra that we do have in the lacing system then is this nice big AF1 Dubre on the laces. You can kind of remove that if you want, but that's essentially what is going to come with the kick. Having pulled out the other kick then, nicely in theme, we actually also do have a spare pair of yellow laces. I don't think I can do the yellow laces. I feel like I want the yellow to do the talking. I feel like if I'm going to yellow, it might be too much, but I'm gonna wait. I might see some dope pics around to change my mind, but you do have a nice spare pair if you do want to go ahead and swap these out. While we're here then, we might as well have a little bit of a peep inside, and obviously it's stuck with that hyper royal theme because we do have all blue inside. And from the soles to the sock liner, it is all in leather. It's a nice quality, can't knock it. We do have some hints of branding in the yellow. We do have some swoosh tick detailing and then Ambush just written inside. Let's turn our heads to the main attraction then, and that of course is this swoosh tick detailing. We have these plastic ticks that start off kind of as normal, but then elongate to kind of come off the shoe themselves. So you are going to have a bit of free-flowing tick there. But that's not all, right? It comes to the back portion that kind of is very much in theme with this back portion tab. Now at the back here, we do have again a swoosh tick embossed in this, but it's kind of had a nose job. Like, it's not flat down. You can actually see underneath that it does have a little bit of air at the back. It's just, like I said, it's had a nose job. I don't know what's going on there. You can see underneath kind of, you know, what's doing that, but it's a little bit of a mad one. Coming down further, closer to the heel, we again have another nod for ambush, as we do have ambush written across the back here. It kind of reminds me of the Sakai's a little bit, as it kind of pokes out at the back. So yeah, it's not too much of a madness. It's not coming out too far, but it is another little kind of structure on the back of the kick. Let's jump down to that midsole then. I think this is a midsole we have all seen. It's a typical Air Force One midsole, apart from they've just cripped it up. So again, it is all in blue. Nothing is really changed. It goes to the sole, which again also hasn't really changed, apart from, I guess, Snoop Dogged up. Again, all in the blue. We do have another nod for ambush, as in this small gap here, we do have ambush written. And on the other kick, we do have Nike. So, you know, just dual branding on the soles. But apart from that, it's a standard AF1 bottom. Let's talk sizing, because I feel like a lot of people do struggle with their Air Force One sizing. I know that I do. I got these in the true to size, and I still would recommend getting true to size if you're thinking about going picking these up yourself. You of course can go half a size down, but I know a lot of people do if you want to minimize that creasing and find that comfy enough for you. I used to do that, but it doesn't really work out. I feel like size down is too small and the true to size is tiny a bit big. Not big, but just a little bit roomier than I would like, and, you know, for creasing and all that good stuff. So I would recommend, if you're like me, getting your true to size and then just getting some small insoles to get in that just bulks things out a tiny little bit to kind of push your foot up, and that'll be absolutely blessed. Gas rating time then. What am I saying about these kicks? What was my initial roundup of these? I'm actually really pleasantly surprised, apart from the Batman comparison, which I won't be able to get out of my head. I feel like these, I got a little bit of a bouginess to them. I feel like you could actually really dress these up or dress these down. And I'm actually quite impressed. I also do feel like I kind of got the best colorway out of the two that have dropped. And I'm definitely looking forward to the black and white pair. I think they might even be just a smidgen little bit better. But honestly, I'm trying hard not to give these a 9 right now, because I'm waiting for the other colorways. So I'm actually going to give them an 8.8. Alright then guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going for that little rundown of these ambush Air Force Ones with me. Definitely, out of all my pickups I've got recently, I didn't think I was going to like these the most, but I actually really do like these. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and drop your comments down below. Let me know what you're saying. Did you like the green pair, or are you waiting for the black and white pair? Let me know your feelings and all that good stuff down below. As always, you know, you're welcome to come kick it with me on all the other social platforms. I will leave links to all that stuff around, so you will be able to come find me and say hey. Last but not least, do not forget to subscribe. Not only does it help you out, but it helps me out, helps you to cop or drop, and it helps me know that, you know, the content I'm making is at least half decent. So until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I'm sorry, but I've got to do this right now, right? Was it 90s? When did I grow up? Someone tell me. This is it. Look, man, like Bruce Wayne. Also, I didn't like Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne was a bitch. Do you know who I like? The Joker. Now that is a relatable man. Look. Is that not giving that? Is it not? I think it is. You can tell I don't watch Marvel or DC or nothing. You can tell I just grew up on the cartoons as a kid, right? But wasn't he just a bit of a bitch? Like, oh, like my parents died and I'm rich. Time to fight crime. Shut up. No one asked for your input, sir. Anyway, thank you for coming to my TED Talk on Batman. That I know absolutely nothing about. I just realised that I went on a huge tangent talking about Batman. That was unnecessary. Kicks.